The Ant and the Cricket, 10th English 4th unit poem, which is adapted from Aesop's Fables. Who is Aesop? Aesop is the name of the man credited with the authorship of a collection or book of fables. Fables means stories. Actually, Aesop was a slave believed to have lived in ancient Greece. The morals, sayings, and proverbs featured in the book of Aesop's Fables ensure that they still have meaning for us today. Now we'll see the summary of the poem, The Ant and the Cricket. This poem teaches the importance of hard work and planning. It is about a silly young cricket and an ant. Cricket spends its time wasting by singing and dancing all summer. During winter, its cupboard is empty. Nothing can be found at all. So it goes to the miserly ant and begs to give him shelter and food. The ant says that they never borrow from anyone and they never lend to anyone. The ant questions the cricket what it was doing during the summer. The cricket replies that since his heart was so light and happy, it sang all day and night. Hearing this, the ant gets angry and tells the cricket to sing and dance once again all winter. He hurriedly sends away the cricket and shuts his door. So the moral of this poem, we should always plan carefully for ensuring a secure future. Do you understand? Thank you.